Welcome to Row with Controls. Here's your host, Steve Rowe.
Hello, everyone. Let's talk today about a trend we've continued to see in the industry, one that I suspect is here to stay. That is the continued growth of design-build lighting control projects. Lighting control systems have historically lived in the planned spec part of the construction industry. Now, just to level set, let me highlight the high-level difference between design-build and planned spec. Design-build is when the project design and construction are handled by a single entity, which in this case would often be the electrical contractor. Whereas planned spec, or what is also often referred to as design bid build, has separate firms involved for the design and construction once detailed plans and specifications are completed. So in a world where we're seeing the growth of design build, does that mean it's at the expense of planned spec? The quick answer here is no. And before I get to the why, let me highlight that this growth of design build lighting control projects is a good thing, as it helps grow the overall widespread adoption of intelligent lighting controls. We need less line voltage toggle and rocker switches in the world. Intelligent lighting controls drive better outcomes for commercial spaces with increased energy savings and enhanced user experiences. So now let's answer the why we continue to see the lighting controls design build growth. I think, simply put, electrical contractors are getting more comfortable with lighting controls, and this is for a variety of reasons. One, given the increased adoption in the market, there's naturally comfort in seeing lighting controls again and again. Couple this with increased technology at home, and the barrier to the technology use is far less. Second, wireless technology and intelligent luminaires with embedded controls have made the installation simpler. And then third, in addition to the simpler installation, pairing programming methods have continued to redefine and become more user-friendly for those that don't necessarily live and breathe lighting controls installations each and every day. So largely speaking, overall comfort with lighting controls increasing due to the increase in use in the market, which is then being further fueled by sophisticated solutions becoming far simpler with these technology advancements. This is why we'll continue to see an increase in design-build projects. And although I haven't mentioned software today, this is another way in which we'll see this trend of lighting control adoption continue to increase. We'll cover this in a future episode. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Row with Controls.